Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain an answer to a very concerning question, which is why is your iPhone not charging? If your iPhone isn't charging, then there may be several reasons for it. The first one is dirty or blocked charging port. Dust, lint or debris inside the Lightning or USB-C port can stop the cable from connecting properly, so you may need to inspect that. And even if you don't see anything wrong with it, then there still may be something wrong with it. So you can see there's my port inside here, and I'm gonna actually zoom in. Hold on a second. Move the light here so we can see everything well. Okay, now you can see I have some dust in there, and it may be pretty hard to remove it. You should remove it, and it's best to do it with a brush, like your used toothbrush or new toothbrush. Just make sure you don't use it afterwards. But yeah, just so that's gonna be enough if there's a toothbrush. Make sure that the tool you're using is non-metallic. It may be some sort of like plastic tool, but a metallic one can break your port. Also be mindful when you have actually a USB-C. This is a lightning port. USB-C on iPhones 15 or newer actually have the plastic part in the middle, and make sure not to break that plastic part. So yeah, that's also worth noting. Hold on a second, I'm not in focus. Yeah, so you can see I actually should clean it, and I'm gonna take some sort of brush and get back to you. Okay, so I got a tool like this. I also have a different one. This is way softer. This is like very soft, but I actually prefer the more rougher ones, like an actual toothbrush. And yeah, you can just clean it on the inside. Do it carefully, but make sure to get that dust out. It's easier when you hold your phone like this, so you can actually take it out. It doesn't fall back into the port if you hold your phone vertically. So just clean it here on the inside. Well, you can see there is some dust collecting on the brush. Hold on a second. Okay. See, I probably still have some dust on the inside, and that dust is gonna be there for a long time, so it's worth just cleaning it very well. Okay, I think that I'm almost there. Also, if you have a different tool, make sure it's not non-metallic, but I'm gonna try to find a different, like maybe plastic thing. I don't know if I have one. I may not have one. I have a brush like this, but it won't fit, so this is also the problem. And yeah, so I don't have a tool that will fit, but if you had some plastic thing, then it would be a bit easier to take it off. In a moment, I'm going to talk about some other reasons why your charging port may be not working properly, but first it's best to clean it. Okay. Let's say it's sort of cleaned. Of course, it's better to do it for a bit longer until you really get that cleaned well. Okay, hold on. Okay, now let's move on to the next aspect, which is the charging cable. If it's faulty, either the charging cable or the adapter, then it may cause some charging issues. By the way, going back to the charging port, you can also clean it with a wooden toothpick or plastic toothpick. So yeah, but the faulty or charging cable, it may be either worn out or non-certified. And then they often cause charging issues, so make sure that you have a reputable brand charging cable and reputable brand adapter. And also make sure it's not worn out, and you may want to try a different outlet. You may also want to unplug the cable, rotate it 180 degrees and plug it back in. You also may try swiveling it around once you plug it in to see if it catches the connection at some point. That indicates that the port is dirty on the inside. Make sure that the cable is plugged in fully, and also the non-certified cables may sometimes, it does indeed happen, it happened to me also, some like fake cables. If you put them into your phone, if you take them out, then maybe there's a chance that the end of the cable, the connector itself, will get stuck in the port, and it's very hard to take it out, and taking out is a risk of breaking the port. That's why it's important to have a certified cable. Then also, if battery is overheated or too cold, iPhone may pause charging if the battery temperature is outside of the safe range. Then there is also an option that there is a software glitch. It's rare, but it happened to me. You just need to restart your phone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Then after a moment, slide to power off, then wait for 30 seconds and try turning it on by pressing and holding the power button until you see the Apple logo, then releasing it. There's a chance that your phone had contact with water, and technically the iPhones are currently water resistant, but even if nothing breaks, your charging port may get locked for a certain time because there's a sensor inside that checks if it's checks the moisture inside, and if it's moisty, then it's just gonna stop you for charging until that port gets dry. Also, if you have optimized battery charging or charging limit enabled, then your charging may stop at 80%. So if that's what you were experiencing, if that's what you're experiencing, go to the battery in settings, then find battery health and charging. Then you'll find optimized battery charging. That's a great option and I like it, but if it actually annoys you that your charging sometimes stops at 80%, sometimes it charges up to 100. If it annoys you, then you can disable it. Also, if you have a charging limit, I don't have it because I have an older iPhone, but if you have a newer iPhone, then there will be a charging limit, and if you have it enabled, then it won't charge past that limit. So you may want to disable that because it will just charge up to 80%, for example, and stop. Now also, while using wireless charging, if your iPhone doesn't charge, then most probably you just have your iPhone misaligned. I'm gonna demonstrate that. Okay, so I have a charger here. I'm gonna place it. I know it's upside down, but it actually doesn't matter. You just need to place your phone on the charger, and if I misalign it, it's not charging. If I align it correctly, then it is. But now there was a visible misalignment, but there's a chance that your misalignment may be invisible. Like, for example, if I move, sometimes you just won't see the misalignment. This charger is actually like pretty great, pretty decent, and it actually does charge even if the iPhone is misaligned. But some chargers, oh yeah, now it says it's misaligned. You can see this one has a blinking diode and it says it's misaligned. And you can see, yeah, it just doesn't charge currently. So I'll need to hold the phone, place it back in the correct spot. So the center of the phone should be on the charging. And yeah, there's still a problem with it. So I personally prefer just chargers with MagSafe. This is the technology that your iPhone has magnets inside and just sticks onto the MagSafe charger. For some reason it's not charging at all currently. Try unplugging and plugging back in the cable on the charger. Yeah, now I heard that chime is charging. So yeah. And now let's get to the last thing. If you have some battery or charging port issues that like cleaning doesn't help with, you may need to replace the charging port or the battery. So it's also worth knowing that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.